students. So now today we will be doing an activity from your chapter inventions that we have already done. Now here in activity 8 there is a design that you can see here at the right hand side of the paragraph. So can any one of you guess what it is? Yes, it is the invention by Lawrence Rook. And what is the invention all about? It's it is the design of a smart bell. Exactly. So this is how when he took part in a competition, so there he made his smart bell design, and this was given to a company in China to actually work on it to make it a real smart bell and to see that how actually it works. So related to this, now we will move to part activity 3. Sorry, activity 2. Now do you all know about who invented light bulb? Can any one of you tell me? Yes, so we will know about the famous inventor who invented light bulb. You all know Thomas Edison. He is also an inventor, but often one person is remembered for inventing something that many people helped with. Edison didn't really invented the light bulb by himself. Now what is the meaning of this? That he didn't really invented it all alone? Yeah, actually he took help by other people, those who also helped him, Edison, to invent that light bulb. But actually the idea was of Edison to invent it, but the other people just helped him out to make it, to bring that invention into make it realistic. So he had a large team of people working with him. Edison did not really invent the light bulb, but he did make it better. Edison saw a big problem with the earlier invention for light bulb. Okay, before Edison invented something, this light bulb. Already the light bulb was invented, but there was a problem in that they did not last long enough, and they were not easy to make in large numbers. They were not easy to make it in large numbers, and that was not it didn't work for a long time. So Edison worked with the team to solve this problem. They made the first light bulb that lasted long enough and could be sold for use in homes that people can use. So now you all have to do one thing at home. Just make a list of as many as famous inventors you can tell. So write down the names, or not. If you can't, just do one thing: write about at least 5 famous inventors that you know about and what things they invented. Like printing press or telephone, these were invented. You have to know who was the person who invented the printing press and telephones, and make a list of the inventors and what they invented. These all famous inventors, they all saw a problem just like Edison. Edison saw that people needed light after dark, but the light bulbs of other inventors did not last long enough or could not be made cheaply so that many people could have them. So Edison solved the problem, inventors solve problems. So here it is told that the inventors help in solving problems. Now, one more thing I'll love to ask you is, do you ever thought of inventing anything, or any ideas just popped up in your mind that you should invent something? Still there is something that needed to be solved, and you think that you have some ideas to solve those problems. or any ideas that you feel like you can invent. So make a list of it. So whenever we will have a meeting, we all will have a class meeting. So definitely I'm going to ask you about it. So this is done for now.